Hi, Ken here with another tech tip. We're going to talk about how to know if you're missing service packs or functional packs after a software reload or after restoring an image that was made without the proper service packs and functional packs installed. All right, to know if we're missing service packs or functional packs, or what are sometimes just referred to as fun packs because that's actually how Siemens abbreviates it, we would just simply need to log into the service mode. So we do that by going to Options, Service, Local Service, and then entering in our 6-digit Siemens service key. And immediately we get a notification that tells us if we're missing functional packs and service packs, and it also identifies which pack we're missing. The significance of this is that none of the packs are all-inclusive. So you must install each and every one of these as a single entity, and you must do them in the proper order. So in this case, we would have to install functional pack 48 before we did 51. We'd have to do service pack 6 before we could do 7, 7A, or 7B. For more information or tips like this, see the description.